Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a romantic lantern design, designed with blush flowers on trend for weddings today. Originally designed to hold a candle, you just open the door, slide the candle in, and there's even a release here so you can shut the door so it's safe for fire hazard. But adding flowers, even more fabulous. To do that, working with the igloo, that gives us a water source. I've pre-soaked it with water and flower food. Then using a U-glue strip, just pulling that off, fastening it to the back, pressing it down firmly, and peeling off. Now I can take this and adhere it directly to the lantern, putting one on the outside, and then I have another one with the strip already on, opening it out, placing it on the inside, and now we can do flowers that go through the glass. It's a magic touch to make it extra special. To cover the base mechanics, a combination of foliage and pieris, Andromeda, lily of the valley bush. You'll hear it called so many different things. In the springtime, it's just wonderful, nice and drapey and full. For foliage, maybe some Gaelic sleeves, easy to work with, giving them the cut, and then just placing them into the igloos. Coming around to the inside, then adding the Andromeda, letting it drape. Nice and long. And then coming out from the opposite side. And you can see that illusion going from one side to the other of the glass, making sure that you can seal all of the foam so that the magic stays intact. The beauty of this design is you can stop at any point. The lantern by itself is pretty. Adding just the foliages and the lily of the valley bush is also quite lovely. But then adding in flowers. Got some ruffly lisianthus, and that beautiful peach. A little bit of hypericum berry, also in the peach, will get nice texture and contrast. And then leucadendron in that maroon color that's so popular to update the blush look. And then even a few mini carnations, just to add a little more coverage, a little more interest in that same coloration. So starting in, maybe with the lisianthus because they're so grand. Some on the outside. Even go up a little taller up the side. Then bringing some to the inside. And you can see it through the glass, drawing your eye through, adding the leucadendron. Bring it up tall. Some a little lower. And then pulling it on through to the inside. If you do it outside, you want some on the inside so that the color stays consistent. And the beauty of the igloo, it keeps the water reservoir so you don't have to worry. Then coming back with the contrast, with the additional flowers, filling in for interest. As you finish, look at the back, look at the front, look at the sides, double checking that none of the foam and mechanics shows. Drawing back a little bit more here. Carrying through some of the hypericum. And then just a touch of the mini carnations to fill in, adding a little more color and texture and interest throughout the design. Once it's complete, you can go back, shut the door, and it's ready for display as a centerpiece. Looks beautiful, front, back, and sides. Or stop there open the door, add one more bit of the Andromeda, a little longer coming out, adding some draping movement to the front, and then enhancing with a nest and eggs tucked right in, creating an accent area for the finished design. The versatile igloo gives us the magic of working inside and outside, creating the illusion of the garden growing through the glass. For more creative inspiration, check out our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us there or by telephone at 503-223-8089. And of course, I always love to see what you create. Take a picture, post it on social media. Be sure to tag Floral Design Institute and let us all see your creativity. Because now it's your turn. Have fun and do something you love.